Kangaroo Territoriality. Kangaroos are a very territorial animal that live in Australia. There's different types of kangaroos, and the territoriality within those different types tend to vary. You've got some that are more territorial than the others and defend a specific land, while others are a little more nomadic and just defend the females or previous mates. This is seen in the map here. Kangaroos live in something called mobs. Mobs are when there is one main alpha male and a couple other male mob. There is lots of females and lots of babies. The alpha male defends all of these females, for they are his mates and his potential mates, as well as the main area that the mob is currently occupying in. The mothers as well are also very territorial. They are very territorial over their young, and if an unknown woman or another male come into the mob, they will also engage in combat. But for the most part, they just defend their babies from other males that might want to kill them. This is one of the alpha males. Alpha males, when they feel threatened, stand up tall, puff out their chest, and do something that we humans even do, which is flexing. They are very strong and very territorial. When they feel threatened, whether it's another male, into their territory, or even just had a bad day, they will engage in combat. They have these very long talons on their fingers that they can use when boxing to scratch up the other's face and eyes and cause lots of injury, as well as long talons on their toes. These are used when they jump and kick and can even disembowel other kangaroos, or in some cases, humans. They are very deadly. When kangaroos are young, the males engage in something called boxing. This boxing helps them develop their fighting skills as well as determine what males become alphas and betas. The boxing is very beneficial for their social abilities as well, but mainly they learn their territorial mechanisms. Right here they slap each other's faces and push one another. This boxing then, as they get older, turns into actual fighting. The fighting the kangaroos display here is one of the very deadly versions that kangaroos can fight in. They jump, and those long talons that you saw on their toes scrape down the kangaroo's stomach and can cut through the skin, muscle, fat, all the way to the organs. This can cause fatal accidents if humans tend to get in the way. But sometimes, the humans interfering have caused a lot of comic relief for us. In one instance, this man jumped in and punched a kangaroo in the face because the kangaroo had his dog in a headlock. He is now known as one of the funniest and bravest men in Australia. But for the most part, kangaroos should not be messed with because they are very, very territorial and very dangerous animals.